Looking for a powerful and easy-to-use DTG printer? Today, we're taking a quick look at the Ricoh RI2000 and the special features that make it stand out in the world of custom apparel printing. One of the smartest features of the RI2000 is its
Automatic height adjustment.
the printer scans your shirt or garment and automatically sets the print head to the perfect height. Platens attach magnetically and swap out in seconds. This means you can switch from small to large size platen. The RI2000 also performs automated maintenance. It cleans and maintains its ink system on its own, helping prevent clogs and keeping your prints consistent. This saves you time and keeps the printer ready to go whenever you are. Using the printer is simple thanks to its intuitive touchscreen display. With easy menus and quick access to settings, you can start printing, run cleaning cycles, or adjust jobs with just a tap. And of course, the RI2000 delivers bright, detailed, high-quality prints. With its dual carriage with 1200 by 1200 DPI resolution, produce vibrant colors and sharp designs and seamless gradients. The RI2000 is fast, reliable, and packed with smart features that make DTG printing easier than ever. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below.
Subscribe to get latest updates about garment decorations and textile printing solutions. You can message us on WhatsApp or visit textgraph.com.